All ECU360 quotes can be saved in the feature My Quotes. Simply search for a saved quote by providing the trade lane or the quote reference number, or filter by product and department for export or import quotes, or booked and expired quotes. You can customize the page layout as per your preference and switch between list view and card view. In the quote details page, you can also share a quote with a colleague by opening a saved quote and clicking on the print or email buttons. You can save time by using our Smart Copy Quote or Book Now icons, where the system automatically copies over all data from a saved quote and redirects you to a new quote or booking page. After reviewing your quote details, simply click on the Book Now button and the system will automatically copy over the quote reference number and tag it to your new booking. By clicking on the three dots icon, an option to extract the saved quote data into an Excel file or create a report becomes available. If you wish to send a quotation to your own client directly from your ECU360 account, then simply head over to the Client Quote feature by clicking on Client Quote button. Here you will be able to edit and customize the quote and send it directly to your client from ECU360. All saved client quotes can be reviewed in the feature My Quotes under the Client Quote tab. Save time by quoting your own clients directly from your ECU360 account using the Client Quote feature. With the ECU360 Client Quote feature, you will be able to quote your customers directly from your ECU360 account. Once you have created a quote and reviewed the quote details, simply go to the Client Quote tab. Alternatively, after saving your own quote, navigate to the page My Quotes and click on the Client Quote button. A Client Quote option will appear. Now you can add your company logo on the client quote and also edit the validity if required. You can review the EQ charges from your generated quote. Here you can add a percentage markup against the entire quote or adjust the value in any of the existing charges individually. Likewise, you can create a new charge by clicking on the plus icon. We also have an option to hide the cost breakdown to your customers so they only see a lump sum amount. To finalize your client quote, now simply provide your customer's contact details, include your own remarks and terms and conditions with the option to save or load templates for the same. Now you are good to go by clicking on Submit, to save and email the client quote directly from your ECU360 account to your customer. All saved client quotes can be reviewed in the feature My Quotes under the Client Quote tab with additional print and email option.